In this video, I want to show you how to switch between your kids' profiles and an adult profile on your Amazon Fire tablet, Fire Kids tablet, any models. Any models will work the same way. So what you need to do is to drag from the top of the screen, no matter where you are, drag down like this, then drag another time until you see this very small icon over here where that it looks like a person. Click on it. And then you're going to have all the profiles that are currently on this tablet. Over here I have two profiles for kids and one for adult. If you want to switch from adult to kid, simply choose the kid profile of your choice. So I'll choose this one. I'll wait. And after about 30 seconds, 1 minute, the profile should have been changed. So now you can swipe up. It will load the kids version of this tablet. Again, if you have an older version, maybe it will look different, but overall you just switch to a kid profile. If you want to go back to your adult profile, you can do the same thing. So drag down once, drag down another time, and click on the same icon. And then choose your adult profile. It will ask for the PIN code. This way your kid is not able to go on your adult profile. So over here you'll have to type your PIN code. And here you go, we're back into the adult profile.